wala namang mahinang team ngayon sa UAAP. Lahat talaga matcha-challenge ka para na makalaban sila. Mataas na yung level ng ginagalaw ng bawat team, kaya hindi mo pwedeng sasabing mahina yung kalaban. Kaya kailangan talagang challenge mo rin yung sarili mo para ma-overcome mo kung ano man yung ibibigay na laban sa iyo ng kalaban.
Thank you to Lilay that 4 blocks, 4 service aces, 3 attacks. So, what can you say about your performance this afternoon? And kumusta ka naman kasi binibigyan ka ng starting role, what can you say?
Super happy po sa performance ko ngayon kasi nag-translate po lahat ng pinaghirapan ko po sa training kung gano'n po kinayod po season. Ngayon po, super happy ako and nakakuha ko ng kumpiyansa ngayong game. And super duper happy ako na ganda yung performance ko today kasi sabi ko pagkagising ko, I'll dedicate this game for my nanay kasi birthday niya po ngayon. 61st birthday niya po ngayon. So sabi ko, I'll do my best to make her proud. And I know she have the best seat always sa arena. So sabi ko, I'll do my best for my nanay. Always, always.
Thank you, Lilay. Happy birthday to your mom. And Chefs, you have 15 of 39 attacks, 3 blocks, 3 service aces, and 5 bigs. So, what can you say is a big bounce back win for you? Especially, you came from a top loss. What can you say?
Of course, we're very happy with this win because, again, coming from a loss, but I believe our team is going in the right direction, that we all just need to keep contributing, keep sticking to our system and doing our best because the fruits will come.
Thank you. To Angel, you have 20 of 46 attacks, 4 blocks, 5 digs, and 4 excellent receptions. So, yun nga, as Chef say, slowly getting into the right direction. So, ano yung kailangan nyo gawin para siyempre magtuloy-tuloy na yung pagkuha nyo ng panalo kasi very tough ang competition this season?
Same pa rin naman po, kahit na galing po kami sa talo and yung starting namin parang on edge din. Parang yung mindset talaga namin is one game at a time. And every game naman yun, ibang preparation naman yun. And yung maganda lang ngayon is may nagkakaroon na rin kami ng kumpiyansa sa team and sa sarili. Kaya sana madala-dala din po namin every game sa UAAP.
Thank you.